Biomagnetism is a simple, natural way to support your body's well-being by using magnets to encourage balance and harmony. This gentle, non-invasive approach works with your body's natural rhythms, helping to restore balance on multiple levels, allowing your immune system to function at its best. Everyday stress, environmental factors, and lifestyle choices can create imbalances in the body over time. Biomagnetism helps to identify and restore these layers of imbalances, providing the support your body needs to operate more efficiently and maintain its natural state of wellness. Whether you're looking to stay proactive in your health journey or address specific concerns, Biomagnetism empowers you to work with your body, not against it, helping you feel more in tune, energized, and confident in your well-being.